It's a great time to be out on the water, exciting boat ride and so on, but remembering at the same time that this is a serious business. It's hard not to think, wow, this is actually fun. It's beautiful. No better place to be out on the water than here around Victoria. I'm trying to remember and feel the seriousness of the reason why we're out there and the reason why we're supporting Royal Canadian Marine Rescue.
For me, any time in the water is a good time, even when it's a little bit uncomfortable. That's one of the reasons I like being part of this team here, is that we go out in all different conditions. So when it's sunny and light winds like today, it's like heaven. Can't beat it.
The connection that comes first to mind, we help customers build ships. That's a direct connection to trying to rescue and save people and ensure the safety of boaters. The real reason that we wanted to be involved with this society in particular is because it's local to the Victoria community. Being able to find something local here when so much of what we do is international, this feels like a great way to give back to the Victoria community.
Having that regular source of income from us removes a lot of the anxiety around funding. As a volunteer organization, we're more beggars than choosers, and when we have that kind of funding, it really helps us, because we can depend on a steady, knowable source of income that we can plan better.
I can't see a better opportunity or a better reason to volunteer or to be involved in something that has such a direct impact on somebody's life.